Right now, he's probably out golfing with his tiny hands on the shores of Mar-a-Lago. Right now, he's probably begging for some extra ballots like Daley's old Chicago. Right now, he's probably up in arms about the perma-ban when he fucked around and found out. And we won't know. I stole his phone and cracked the screen, and I dipped it in a bath of kerosene, plugged it in until it overheats. I took the UVA bulbs from his tanning bed, threw them at his fascist head. Maybe next time he'll think before he tweets. Right now, he's probably out finding some white supremacists and leading them to violence. Right now, he's probably getting blue balls cause he surrendered all the strolling for silence. Right now, he's probably fleeing to Four Treasons Total Wasteland-escaping. Oh, he's gotta go, cause I picked his lock and made him cower in his pretty little trumped up phallic tower. Smashed the windows in his hotel suites. I borrowed Champ and Major Biden and then they shat right into his MAGA hat. Maybe next time he'll think before he tweets. He might have saved a little trouble for his fan base, because he had some qualities, oh, you know, that they did not see. Oh, I said not see. Cause I flung his laptop in the sea, and I emptied all his vials of Russian pee. Shined the black light on his bathroom sheets. I put a statue of Gritty up on the beach. 2 more days till we impeach. Maybe next time he'll think before he tweets. Oh, maybe next time he'll think before he tweets. Oh, right, no more tweets. No, go Joe.